guys, so me and Jalen are on our way to Plato's Closet. She has some things to take. And look who's back!
Back from where?
Jet setting everywhere.
Where I been?
Where haven't you been?
Where am I going?
Yeah, where's she going? Going off again, y'all. Just can't stay at one place.
That's the end of the month.
The end of the month. I'll tell you when she get back where she went.
Yeah.
We'll do a vlog.
Yeah. We gotta leave them guessing a little bit. You know, can't put out too much information.
Right. But she is enjoying her time jet setting around. So where have you been since you graduated?
I've been to Orlando, Miami, Reno, Milwaukee, Vegas, Gatlinburg.
Right.
I think that's it. Oh, Alabama.
Yeah, she went to Huntsville, where she went to college at. She went last month, was it? And went back to visit her friends in Huntsville. She stayed for a week. She's just been going.
As I should.
Using this time while she's single to do some things she wanted to do. See the world.
Yeah, well, I don't have any responsibilities.
Right.
Bills.
Yeah.
Animals to take care of.
Animals, dogs, puppies, and goings on.
I'm still travel anyways, but.
So if you do travel and stuff, and you get a puppy or something, you would do what with your puppy?
It depends, because some dogs I heard are like super clingy,
And
some dogs are like, you know, they can be on their own. So just have somebody feed them while I'm gone and check in them while I'm gone, or drop them off at a friend's or at an animal hospital, you know, whatever. So
Oh, okay.
I can't take them home.
No, she can't take them to our house. We don't do pets.
You never know. You might like my animal.
I might at your house.
And Daddy might too.
I don't know about your daddy now. I don't even
I
ever.
don't either. Because it's, oh my gosh, I can't believe him.
Daddy does not care for the four-leggers at all.
At all. Even the small ones.
Especially the small ones.
North Carolina?
Oh, yeah. We went over a
That man was
relative.
cutting up.
Exactly. He just keeps his distance. He just not his thing.
I don't even see how on the little ones.
Because some of them are very rambunctious and they bite quicker than some of the bigger ones. Yeah. They just quick like that a lot of times. Not all dogs, but people who have not been around dogs just are not used to their movements, how it's the sniffing, coming up to you sniffing, and just all the stuff they do. So just not used to it. So, but I love people who love their own. Because me and my son's dog just do not. No. Me and Athena ain't never got along. I know. I'd be like, I think she'd be like, that woman, I wish she would go home. And I'd be like, I can't wait to leave Athena. I'd be wanting to stay with my son, but Athena, ooh, she's
something else.
Yeah, she snipped at me the first time I went out there to visit, because I was trying to run behind my grandbaby, and my grandbaby is her child, I guess. So she was not on me. She was not on me with Elena. So anyway,
should I just drive up to the door?
I mean, you can. I don't know if they.
Are you gonna get out or are you standing?
I can get out.
Take these clothes off. Mom, we gotta go over there. I'm gonna show the people how I'm house shopping.
Yeah. ma'am. So I just came back from Kroger's and also went to the hair store and went to Ollie's. You know, Ollie's, good stuff, cheap. So I will show you my haul. Let me get this camera situated. So back here, and it's just a quick haul, not anything big. Got some Captain Crunch for Isaiah. Got some, get this over here, Santa Fe tortilla strips, some penne rigata pasta, extra virgin olive oil, syrup, milk, Mexican style cheese. Got some sour cream, cheese slices, honey. Got 2 jars of the Kroger pasta sauce, basically. Got traditional and tomato basil. Got some Worcestershire sauce. Blue bonnet margarine. Got some butter. Got some broccolini. I love this stuff, y'all. This broccolini is so good and it's really, really good for you. Good for gut health. And got some allergy relief. Got some lettuce and also got shredded lettuce when you want something quick. Got some watermelon for our salads. Cilantro. Y'all know I love my cilantro. And some bananas, an avocado, an orange, 3 Honeycrisp apples. Got some eye drops. I'll let Jalen keep the ones she got from me this morning because sometimes her eyes bother her from allergies or whatever, so I'll just let her have that bottle. And I got one, and I'll give Isaiah one. Chris doesn't like to put eye drops in his eyes. Ibuprofen, got 3 boxes of those because we were completely out. And for us, it seems like ibuprofen works better than acetaminophen, but I know you're not supposed to take too much of either one. So anyway, we're just completely out. And these are really, really a good price. $2.99 for 100, the Kroger brand. So I try to stay stocked up on those. Keep them in my purse. Keep them at home. And yeah. Got some Yoplait yogurt for our smoothies. I love the peach. It adds such a nice flavor. We only use a half of a canister or jar in our smoothies. And then I got some buttermilk biscuits. I need to get back to making my own because I love my recipe the best. But just, you know, quickly when they want to make something for breakfast or we're just doing something quick, these grands are good. So I got the buttermilk kind. I have been getting the Southern brand, not brand, but the Southern style. I got buttermilk this time. Got the Johnsonville original recipe sausage. Got some eggs and kale. And of course eggs are for my family because I don't do eggs, but kale for our smoothies. And then I got some more, and I got these the other day. I think I showed these on a haul not too long ago, but for meal prep, let me turn these around. For meal prep, and it's a 20 piece, but it's 10 complete units. And I was so pleased with that. $5.99 BPA free, all that good stuff. And it holds a nice amount. And I am going to be meal prepping, of course, like I started. And for the past couple weeks had not. But it is so easy to do. And then, let's see what else I've got. And I also got some of these. Jalen said these work really well. While I was at Ollie's, I saw them, and it's a good price, $5.99. So she said these work fast, so went ahead and just got some. And then I got this steamer for the microwave, and it has like a clear plastic piece inside of this red piece, and I guess you just put the water in the bottom, and you put the vegetables or whatever you're steaming in the clear plastic piece, and then cover it, put it in the microwave, and it steams it. So I got this, y'all, for 99 cents because she could not find the price. I think it had to be like $7.99 or somewhere in there. I didn't see any of them with the prices on them, but she said, well, I'll just give it to you for 99 cents since I can't find the price. I said, thank you, and went on about my business. But anyway, that's my haul. And of course, I got my Coldest Water Bottle. Keep it with me. If you all are interested in it, the link is down below. It is well worth it. 32 ounces, stays cold for 32 hours. The best on the market, in my opinion, and a lot of other people on YouTube. So yeah, you can get your name engraved in and everything. This lasts a long time. A lot of times I try to get like 50 ounces in, but sometimes I don't get there. But this 30, if I get 32 ounces in a day, oh my goodness, that's good for me actually. But I do try to do more. But anyway, this is very good, very good. Go down and check the link out below. And then, because I was so impressed with them, and hopefully they perform well. I hope they perform well in the microwave and all that. But anyway, I got 10 more so that they would last the whole week. This will last the whole 5 days plus Saturday. That lasts till Saturday if I do that. So excited to use these. So it is dinner time and I'm getting some tenderloins, kind of sauteed, fried if you want to say, but in grapeseed oil. I'm doing it in grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil. It's healthy and it has a good high heat with it. And y'all, I just love these tenderloins. Kind of tastes like the one at Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel has those seasoned tenderloins. And I love just a simple tenderloin. It takes so much less time than a big, thick chicken breast. And they come out tender. For the most part, if you cook them right, come out tender. So I'm making these, and I have some leftover rice, some Brussels sprouts, and that's going to be dinner for tonight.